Hi Bunmi, I have been seen using gas to ascend a ceremony name of that. Have you got any job?
Not yet. Currently, I am still applying for vacancy position like both public and private organization. And how about you?
Fortunately, I have got job as a full-time supervisor at a mining company.
Wow, how you get your job so early? Do you have any tip to comment?
So if you want to get a job easily and quickly, you need to look for job advertising on the internet, daily newspaper.
Okay, after coding this job, I like how should I prepare to apply?
First, you need to look at the project procedure, criteria, and qualification requirement for active field of study, level of education, expected English proficiency, and other skills.
I thought I have met all requirements when I apply for many jobs during this last 6 months, where I have been offered any position yes. Are there anything I should do more?
Besides that, you must attach a full curriculum beside the CV as part of the application. Have you attached your CV when you submit the application form?
Yes, I have. There I am not sure what information I should include in CV.
Fill the application form.
Thank you so much for your assistance.
You welcome.